Today we're going to talk about median. Does that sound familiar? Well, let's think. This right here is a median. That's the thing that's in the middle of the road. What else does median sound like? Kind of sounds like that word medium. Medium? Oh, like sizes. Like small, medium, large. Medium. The median was in the middle of the two roads. Gosh, wonder what median could mean. That's right, it's middle. Why don't you just meet me in the middle? And find the middle of the numbers. Yeah, I'm a pretty good singer. So we're gonna find the median, which is the middle number. So when you're doing this, there's one thing very important to remember. Because if you don't remember, and that's that you always have to remember to put your data in order from least to greatest. So let's do this. Here's my set of data, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by putting it in order from least to greatest. Now, this may seem silly, but trust me, I know what mistakes you're going to make before you make them because I've seen it several years. When you're writing them to put them in order from least to greatest, cross them out. So, like there's 1, I'm going to cross that out because otherwise you're going to skip a number. I promise you will. So I'm going to finish that. Now what I'm going to do is I like to say cross one out, cross one out. So I'm going to cross one out, cross one out. Every time I cross out one on one side, I have to cross it out on the other side. I cannot cross one out on the left and not cross one out on the right. And when I do that, lo and behold, there I go. 5 is my middle number. So what is my median? My median is 5. Well, that's really easy. I hope it stays this easy. Oh no, it's about to get harder, isn't it? Let's do another one. But what do I have to do first? Put it in order from least to greatest. That's right. All right. Now it's time to meet me in the middle. So I'm going to cross one out on that side and cross one out on that side. La, la, la. This is so much fun, so easy. Wait a minute. Wait, can I just cross one out here? But now I've crossed out 5 on that side and 4 on the other side. I can't do that. I'm going to have to think of something else because there's 2 middle numbers. But really, here's the median right here. So what do I say? Well, I have to find the mean, or the average of those 2 numbers. Think of it this way. What's in the middle of 3 and 5? 4. But there's a more mathematical way to do it. I'm going to find the mean of the 2 middle numbers. 3 plus 5 is 8, and 8 divided by 2, because there were 2 numbers, is 4. So the median is actually 4. Can the median be a number that wasn't even in the data? Yep, it sure can. Here's my data. I'm going to start crossing them out. Oh, no, no, no. You have to put them in order from least to greatest first. Now I can start putting them in order. Now I can start crossing them out. So let's see. 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm going to have 2 middle numbers. Remember, I have to have the same crossed out on both sides. So when I have 2 middle numbers, what am I going to do? I'm going to find the average of those 2 numbers. This one isn't as simple as the other one was. So I'm going to have to actually add 57 plus 65, and I'm going to get 122. That was 2 numbers, so I'm going to divide that by 2, and I'm going to get 61. So my median is actually right here in between them, and it is 61. In this example, the median wasn't an actual data point in this data. Okay, but that's okay. Sometimes it will be and sometimes it won't. Let's talk about another concept now. We're going to talk about mode. Mode is the number you see the most often. You will go to sleep tonight hearing my voice going, mode is the number you see the most often. It's what you're going to see the most often in the set of data. You can actually have a couple of things. You can have no mode, you can have one mode, or you can actually have more than one mode. What? Let's look. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and put this in order from least to greatest. Yes, even though I'm not finding the median right now, I'm still going to do it. Now remember, mode is the one you see the most often. Oh, that must be 2 and 5, because I see 2 more than the others, and I see 5 more than the others. Nope. I actually see, well, I do see 2 more than 3 or 6 or 7 or 9. I see 5 3 times, while I only see 2 2 times. So my mode is going to be 5. All right, now what am I going to do? Oh, I need to put it in order from least to greatest first. Hold on, let me do that. I'll be right back. All right, now that I've done that, let's see. Are there any numbers I see more than the others? Yep, I see 8 twice and 15 twice, and all the others are just once. So that means both of them are the mode. So my mode is 8 and 15. Let's do another one. All right, so when I'm looking at, oh, wait a minute, what do I have to do? Be right back. Let me go put that in order. Oh, that looks like it must have 3 modes, 19, 36, and 78. Actually, no. Because is there any number that you see more than the others? I see them all twice, but they're all twice. So this one actually has no mode. Now I do not want to put 0. Why? Because 0 could actually have been one of the values in your data. So you would say none or no mode. All right, let's try our next concept. Range is our next one. A range is the difference between the greatest and the least value in a set of data. Well, what does difference mean? Difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. So what it means is I'm going to take the biggest number in the set of data and the smallest number in the set of data and subtract them. And then voila, I'm done. Hey, I bet you can't guess what I'm going to make you do first. Oh, can you guess? Yep, put it in order from least to greatest. Now I'm just going to take that, the biggest number and the smallest number, and subtract them. 9 minus 1 is 8, so the range of my data is 8. Simple as that. You're done. Let's wrap this all up and put it together. First thing I'm going to do, put it in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to start with, let's see, what's the smallest number? 20. Then 25. Okay, range is super easy to do because it's just subtracting. So the range is 94 minus 20, which would be 74. My mode is the one you see the most often. Do you see any numbers more than the others? Yep, 25. Now to find my median. Okay, let's see. I'm going to cross one out here and on this side. And I'm going to keep going. But notice I stop. I don't cross another one out because then I would get rid of all my numbers. So I'm going to look at these, both of these numbers. My median is whatever is in between right here. So how am I going to figure that out? I'm going to add and then divide by 2. So 70 plus 51 is 121. And then I'm going to do 121 divided by 2. Let's see, 2 can't go into 1, but it can go into 12 6 times, which is 12. I subtract, I get 0. Bring down my 1. Doesn't go in there at all, so that's 0. Bring down my 1. Add a decimal 0. Bring the decimal up, the 0 down, and it's going to go in there 5 times. So that's 60 and 5 tenths, or 60 and a half. So my median is 60.5. Okay, let's do another one. All right, let's start this. Oh, wait, forgot to do something. Let me go back and do that. Be right back. All right, that's better. Okay, my range, easy to do. 91 minus 56. All right, 91 minus 56 would be 35. My mode, the one I see the most often, 84. Now my mean, all right, let's cross one out, cross one out, cross one out, cross one out. I have two middle numbers. Well, what's between 84 and 84? 84. So my median is 84. All right, median, mode, and range. First thing, put it in order. 0, 0. This one's pretty easy to do. 3, 5, 8. Okay, my range, 8 minus 0. 8. My mode, the one I see the most often, is 0. Yep, that's an actual value in the data. Median. All right, cross one out, cross one out, cross one out, cross one out. Hey, I have an actual middle. So because I have that middle, my median is 3. All right, one more to wrap this all up. First things first, put it in order from least to greatest. So 21, nope, 16 first. That's why I cross them out as I go. Then I've got 45, 46, and 77. Okay, range, biggest minus smallest. 77 minus 16. That's going to be 61. My mode, the one you see the most often, there is none, so it is going to be none. And my median, cross one out, cross one out, cross one out, cross one out. There we go. I have an actual middle number, and that is 45. I hope all of this helped and didn't bore you to death. Bye.